So here, all the ingredients that we buy before in Pangpang Market. So our ingredients is carrot, cabbage, and beans, red onion, and then garlic, and also chili. I have here also pepper flakes powder, and then also the pancit Mickey, called in Philippines. And then soy sauce, Korean soy sauce, I like. And then pepper also. So that's it. This is all. And then chop. I will chop all the ingredients and later cook. So ngayon ini-slice ko po yung I will slice all the ingredients for the pancit. And later on, I will cook this. Because I know how to cook Philippine food and then Korean food konti. That's why I like cooking. In-house, I cook also. That's why here all the marks of oil. Many vegetable, more masarap. So we were gonna start cooking pancit. So there's a lot of type by cooking pancit. I know some of you, if someone Filipino or know how to cook pancit watching this, maybe some of you not same because my style, I will put some pepper flakes powder so that it looks like special. So first, lalagyan ko po ng oil. I'll put a little bit of oil because I'm put the second one is chicken, breast chicken. Okay. Kakamayin ko sana. So ganito po ako nagluluto. Inuuna ko po muna yung breast chicken bago yung onion tsaka yung garlic. Para mas maging maluto rin naman, mas maging maluto pa yung niya, yung sahog, yung chicken. Mix lang po hanggang magkulay brown siya. Then after that, I will put garlic and onion. I like some of food that I eat. I like spicy. That's why I always put chili on my recipe. Mm. So, third step, first is oil, and then second is breast chicken, and then now I will put onion and garlic together with the chili. Very good. So next, I will put the carrots and the beans. Ta-da! Just mix together, and then later on, I'll put soy sauce. Oh, it's boiling. So I will put the cabbage, and then after this, noodles. Oh, very good. Looks masarap. And then, I will put the noodles. And then after this, I will put the pepper flakes, red pepper flakes powder. So, just mix. So, itatry ko na po ngayon kung ano yung lasa. Kung masarap ba siya o hindi. Very good. Masarap. In this one.
Yeah. Hey.
Very professional.
Yeah.
Oh, shake pa.
Hey, finish. Don't worry. I'm not eating.
Who eat that?
Last two.
Who will eat that?
Ikaw.
Birthday girl.
Last. Diba? Very easy. Yeah.
It's my first time.
Very easy.
That noodles.
Hey.
Papa, that noodles is
Tangmyeon.
yeah, it's for good also for japchae.
Japchae, yeah.
Yeah, oh, japchae I very like.
Hey.
Oh,
Finish.
hot cake. Hot cake.
Finish.
And then that's
And
it. Mando?
yeah, all together.
Tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
Together that?
Yeah, together it. Yeah, you put.
That's tteokbokki.
Yeah.
Tteokbokki. Philippine food, pansit. You see?
Masarap.
This is masarap.
Who's winner? Who is winner? Winner.
Ako rin.
Talaga?
Super.
I'm winner.